Hi, I'm Vernaz and welcome to Low Carb Keto Recipes and Having Fun. So today I have yet another exciting recipe for you. So we're standing in my kitchen. Let's get cooking and don't forget to subscribe and press the bell. Okay, so let's begin with this easy peasy recipe. I've taken some cherry tomatoes, about 2 cups. You can use 4 cups if you like, and I've halved them and I've put it into a mixing bowl. And now I have this little glass container because these tomatoes are really going to shrink. I've added a sprinkling of any mixed herbs and some olive oil just to get it going in the air fryer. Such a simple recipe. And yeah, of course, I'm going to add some salt. And salt will pull out all the water, also the moisture. Add whatever herbs and spices you like. Now in my air fryer I have a basket, a separate one, but you can use it on the metal part also. I've added all of the cherry tomatoes. Try to see that they are in a single layer, and I'm putting on my air fryer at 120 degrees centigrade for 50 minutes to begin with. And here they are after 50 minutes. They've still got a little bit of moisture. So at the same temperature, I'm going for another 20 minutes. So altogether 70 minutes. Now here they are. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to leave them in the basket overnight. So whatever little moisture is left, it'll dry out. And here we have them completely dried, literally air fried dried instead of sun dried. And I put them into a container and I'm going to fill it up with olive oil, and you can store this in your refrigerator for a few months. I don't think it's going to last that long. Enjoy this with all your salads, and it's absolutely yummalicious. And at 1/10 the price of what you get in the market, I think it's truly worth making these air fried sun-dried tomatoes. So enjoy this, and thanks for watching, and do subscribe to my channel and press the bell. Bye then.